Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace, or at graceactually on all of my social media. If you're new here, I am a Bangkok-based content creator who is all about slow consumption and just using up your products. Today, I'm going to be walking you guys through my nighttime skincare routine and how I basically use it to prep also for a special makeup at night, whether or not it is a night out or an event, which in my case, I do have an online event for a really lovely Italian skincare brand that was launched in Thailand. I'm also going to feature a very special collection, an anti-aging collection by Divyne. For all intents and purposes, that portion of the video is sponsored by Divyne, a local skincare brand that can be found here, super affordable and caters to all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Now without further ado, let's get going. Okay guys, so now we're gonna get started on my evening skincare routine. Let's get these unruly wet curls out of my face. Not only is this going to be a skincare routine for the evening, but it's also going to be a prep for my skin before I have to do a full face of makeup for an online event tonight via Zoom. It's actually my first time and I'm kind of excited. First things first, I'm going to spray my face. Not only is it super vital to have a skincare routine no matter how big or small yours is, it takes care of your skin barrier, but it also just helps you with aging. And now I know this topic is like such a controversial topic because there's this whole conversation today of letting women just age without being bothered by social media or comments from other people of why she looks the way she does, because I do feel like tabloids are so different and more biased when it comes to men aging and women aging. With that being said, I practice taking care of my body, like my joints, the way I take care of my face by exercising and stretching, which is going to help me improve my mobility as I get older. Now with aging, it's certainly something that we can't avoid, and I'm all about letting women age gracefully, including myself. But if I can take care of my skin at the same time and simultaneously, that also helps. With that being said, I do need to say that this portion of the video is sponsored by Divyne. It does come with the Divyne Intense Youth Anti-Aging Serum, which is a powerful everyday fatigue fighting serum. This thing is basically the sensitive alternative for people who can't use retinol or tret, or so some of the marketing has been said online. I personally do not think that bakuchiol can replace retinol, but Divyne in no way is saying that it is. Bakuchiol is definitely an amazing ingredient that is more friendly with sensitive skin people that you can use to help with anti-aging. Up next, we also have the Divyne Revitalizing Eye Rescue Cream. It combats dark circles and puffiness for younger looking eyes. And of course, my favorite skincare product out of this entire set is the Lift and Firm Sleeping Mask. It's an all-natural lifting mask for youthful, firmer skin overnight. And last but not least, there is actually another tool in this set that comes. It is the Divyne Rose Gouache, which is this beautiful product right here. It's so gorgeous. I've never had a gua sha this color. My other gua sha is more of a jade green, but this one definitely takes the cake. Now all four of these products are basically a complete anti-aging set that leaves your skin feeling youthful again, and Divyne definitely recommends that you use them all together, and it's easily purchasable on their website. To start off with my skincare, I'm going to go in with the Intense Youth Anti-Aging Serum. As you can see, it is a bifacial type of serum. You just have to give it a good shake beforehand. What I like to do is do a full pump of this and basically drop it into my hands, using the other hand to rub it together to apply it all over my face and neck. This is going to act as a lubricant for your skin while using the gua sha. It's the most calming serum out of their entire brand, in my opinion. I love it so much. Right off the bat, and of course since I've been using it for a while, this is actually my second bottle, you guys. I have this one that is severely rubbed off because I love it so much. I'm almost done. There is no irritation. There's a very faint smell to it that's very sensitive skin and sensitive nose people friendly. Now that we've applied our serum, we're going to use this part of the gouache to massage the back of our necks first and foremost. You're going to start from the bottom of your neck up to the ends of your hairline. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag it up with a bit of pressure. Once you reach the nape of your neck, you give it a little shake as well. I do this about 5 times. The reason why that I've already fallen in love with gouache, and I do practice it quite often on a regular basis as long as I have enough time, is that it promotes lymphatic drainage, which is actually something to do with your thyroid glands. It's going to help lift and firm the muscles around your head as well as your face and neck, but it's also going to help drain all those toxins out of your body. It's just basically going to speed up that process instead of the normal process that your body does, and it's going to promote a more glowing, healthier, and younger looking visage. Up next, we're going to go with our necks. We're going to use this part of the gouache. And whenever you do, you're always going to do it opposite of where you're pulling your skin. With this being said, I'm going to be pulling the gouache up and holding the skin down with my right hand. Pull and give it a good shake. Up next, your throat. You're going to use this part of the gouache once again. And now the jaw. You're going to flip it to make sure that the shorter end is on the top and that the longer end's in the bottom. What I like to do after the 5th time is also then massage it down to help drain the toxins. And now the cheek areas. Make sure you use the pressure that you are comfortable with. And now the eyes, we're going to use the longer part at the top of the heart. Now the eyebrows, you're going to flip the gouache and make sure the top of the heart that's longer is at the top. Now to my favorite is the forehead. We're going to use the longer end once again. And what I like to do is a little personal touch. I like to take any part of the gouache to quickly relax the middle part between my eyebrows a little bit because we tend to furrow a lot. And actually there is a tapping method that's going to help calm you down and de-stress you. And I feel that it feels physically really nice. So I like to take the gouache to do a little jiggle here about 5 times as well, upwards, and it instantly relaxes my eyebrows. Now, once we're done with our gouache and serum, we're going to move on ahead to the Revitalizing Eye Rescues Cream. This combats dark circles and puffiness for younger looking eyes. It visibly reduces dark circles and puffiness in 21 days. It revitalizes skin energy, making you look recharged and restored. Intense hydration for exhausted skin around the eyes. Fades undesired age spots for smoother, younger skin. And formulated for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin. What I like to do with eye creams is take the product onto my wedding finger on both hands and gently massage it anti-clockwise, which is going to also instantly depuff by using this technique that I learned from an esthetician online. But of course, use a gentle pressure because these are your eyes. They are the fastest areas on your skin to age because the skin around our eyes are so thin. Also perfect for daytime and nighttime, especially if you have dry under eyes like me. It is a great way to prime your under eyes before makeup. Up next, instead of moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the Divyne Lift and Firm Sleeping Mask. Now, this is an all-natural lifting mask for youthful, firmer skin overnight. It experiences lift and firmness in just 28 days, no injections or treatments needed, elevates and tightens skin skin with advanced cosmetic drone technology, strengthens skin barrier to resist sagging and retain elasticity, stimulates skin regeneration, leaving skin looking fresh and energized overnight, gentle yet effective, perfect for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. This sleeping mask definitely doubles as a moisturizer for me sometimes, especially when I'm on a time crunch at nighttime, because sometimes I do go out at night for certain events or whatnot. And this is my favorite product out of this entire anti-aging collection. Now, while I'm doing a little mask underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face, put on my makeup, and show you guys how much more moisturized and hydrated and healthy my skin looks using these 4 products right here to help achieve the glowiest and the healthiest looking skin with these Divyne anti-aging. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload on YouTube. I'm really trying to get back. I know I say this every video, but I swear life just gets crazier and crazier, right? You just have to make time for it. But I honestly love the anti-aging collection by Divyne, especially the sleeping mask. You guys will not hear me rave about it enough. And as you can see here, this is my full makeup look on top of that skincare. It's just giving glow and skin. It doesn't look dry, it's not cakey at all. It's the perfect skincare prep before makeup, as well as taking care of your skin. As for now, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!